Kimberly from Fat Quarter Shop, and today we're bringing the fruit salad to our Shortcut Quilt picnic. Download the free Fat 8 Fruit Tart quilt pattern exclusively at Fat Quarter Shop. A link to the free pattern is in the description box. There is a layout for lap, table runner, and crib, and they all use Fat 8s. The fabric you need for the lap quilt is one Fat 8 bundle, or at least 39 Fat 8s, 5/8 yard binding, and 3 1/3 yards backing. Today, we're featuring the Fruit Salad Collection by Corey Yoder for Moda Fabrics. After you've gathered your pattern and fabric, let's jump into block assembly. If you can sew a 1/4 inch seam, you can make this quilt. So I'm going to show you how to cut each of the Fat 8s, and they're all cut the same way. I stacked 4 so I can cut 4 at a time. The first thing I'm going to do is cut along the length of the fabric, and I'm just getting a clean cut here, and I want to make sure that I've gone through all of the layers to make sure I have a clean cut on all of them. Then I'm going to cut a 4 1/2 inch strip. And then from there, I'm going to cut a 2 1/2 inch strip. So you can either put your 2 1/2 inch line here, or you can line it up at the 7 inch line. And then this is all the waste from the fabric. That's not very much. Today I'm using the 8 1/2 by 24 1/2 inch Creative Grids ruler, but you could easily use the 6 1/2 by 24 1/2 inch ruler. So now I'm going to cut sideways. I'm going to get a clean cut. I'm going to make sure I went through all of my layers. And then we're going to cut 7 1/2 inches across both of these. And if you just keep all of your fabric in one place and you don't move it too much, everything will stay in place. Then I move my ruler up here, cut here, and these are all the pieces that we're going to use to make our quilt. And these are just going to be scraps. So whichever size you're using, you're going to make 2 fabric A's and 2 fabric B's. Now let's move to block assembly. Now your next step is to place a fabric A with a different fabric B, pin on each side, and sew with a 1/4 inch seam. This is what your unit will look like. You will press towards the larger rectangle and you will make a total of 77 for the lap quilt. For the quilt assembly, it's so easy. You're basically going to have 7 blocks across, 11 blocks down, and you're going to just be rotating your blocks. So you can piece this together in long strips and sew those together, or you can sew it together in rows and sew it together. Whichever way is easiest for you, just pin in each intersection. This lap quilt finishes at 49 by 66. We have a plaid as our binding and a fun fruit print for our backing. The Fat 8 Fruit Tart is an easy beginner pattern that you can make in a weekend. And if you have a friend that's looking to get into quilting, this would be a great pattern, and it's free. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.